Installing Docker in Linux environment is pretty straightforward. So before installing Docker, you need to first check whether Docker exists within your environment or not. So for that, you need to simply write Docker and press enter. So from the below a message, you can clearly see that Docker command not found, and Linux has recommended two options for installing Docker within your environment. So I am using this command sudo apt install docker.io for installing Docker. Let's start. So sudo apt install. So it will take some time because it will download all the packages from different repository, and then it will configure Docker within your Linux environment, and it will perform lots of activity, and that's the beauty of uh, this package management, which makes it very easy to install Docker within your Linux environment. So it's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. And now you can check Docker. And now you can see that we have lots of command available within Docker for managing our Docker environment. And we'll see few of them in this demo. So just after Docker installation, you need to check few basic things just to make sure that it has been set up correctly. So the first thing you need to check is Docker version. What is my Docker version? And from this command, you can see that my Docker version is 1.19.1903, right? And you can see that the latest build is 14th of October. So it's very recent version of Docker, right? And here it's giving me some error, got a permission denied while trying to access. Okay. So in order to resolve this issue, what you need to do, you need to provide uh, run access to this command, and for that we have command called sudo change hmod 777, and then I need to, okay, and once you will run this command, it will not show this error. Yeah, so now you can see it's not giving me some the same error, right? So in that way you can resolve this type of issue whenever you'll find that it's giving me some Docker socket exception, and mainly around these type of error messages. You need to give permission to this folder, okay, so that we can you can run different Docker commands. Now we'll run basic hello world sort of package, hello run. So whenever you will run any Docker command, like here I have given Docker run hello run, right? Hello run is the name of my image, Docker image. So what it will do, it will first search. It's giving error. Probably I will give sudo docker run hello world dot, okay, and once you will, okay, what I was saying, that whenever you'll run this docker run command, it will first try to find out whether that hello world image exists within your system. If it exists, it will take your local copy and run this image as a container, right? So here you can see that initially we are unable to find the image hello world latest locally, and it started pulling that image from Docker Hub. So Docker Hub is a central repository for all the public images, right? So whenever you'll fire these type of command, Docker run and any name of your image, it will try to pull those images from Docker Hub, right? And you can see the output of this command is hello from Docker, right? So that's the outcome of this. So which confirms that my Docker setup is right, and we are able to run basic Docker command successfully. And after the installation of the, you can also check Docker images. So you can see that the hello world image exists locally. And now once you run the same command again, it will not pull the same image from Docker Hub. It will find that image locally and will run it from there itself. See, I'm running the same command again, and here it's simply printing. It's not going to download the same image from Docker Hub. So it's a one-time activity. So first time it will try to download any images from the Docker Hub. It will store locally, and for next time onwards, whenever you will run the same image again, it will pick the local copy and run it. So that's the fundamental of Docker. Hope you like it. Thank you.